Alright, we got everything cleaned up. My flanges are set into the pipes. Now setting these in, you always want to start with your right side of your machine by sliding it over into the hole, move it all the way forward, and that way it fits. And then same with your next. Slide that one in. Next one. Slide that one in. Now your third one gets a little snug, but you can get it in. All the way up and in. Okay? So now I'm just going to throw some bolts in there, and then I'm going to test fit all the white pipes to make sure I get my alignment for my bracket, my alignment for my two clamps, and most importantly, a lineup for your 4 bolts for your cam.